Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to solve another type of problem that is related to Thevenin's theorem. Okay. In our previous video, we did study about how to deal if only independent sources are present. But today class we did study we want to approach how to deal if the dependent sources are present. Okay, see here the question is given that find the Thevenin's equivalent circuit across AB. Okay, here the question circuit is one dependent source is present. Here the dependent source is this type of dependent source is current control current source. Okay, in this video we are going to start how to apply Thevenin's theorem in if the dependent source is present. Okay, first if the dependent source is present, there is no difference to finding the Thevenin's voltage, but only difference procedure apply to finding Thevenin's resistance. Okay, let's start. First we did study about how to find VTH or open circuit voltage. We previously known this Thevenin's voltage is also known as open circuit voltage. Okay, let's start how to find Thevenin's voltage. Okay, in our previous method we for finding the Thevenin's voltage we first open the load terminal. Here already the question is given that open the load terminal, so that nothing to be worry about this. Okay, directly we find the voltage across this terminal. Okay, this terminal, or this is called open circuit voltage. This is called open circuit voltage. Here known it is general method in like previous method to finding VTH, but only difference to find the Thevenin's resistance we later we study. Okay, first we deal with Thevenin's voltage. Okay, how to find Thevenin's voltage. Here to find Thevenin's voltage, we draw this circuit again, redraw the circuit. Okay, sorry, this is to find this is open circuit voltage or VTH. Okay, this is 12 volt. Okay, this is IX 1.5. this current should depend in this branch. Okay, depend in this branch, 6 ohm branch. Okay, here 10 ohm. Let us apply node voltage. Here the node voltage let V1. Okay, apply node voltage to find this voltage. Okay, let apply node. This is node equation. This is V1 minus 12 divided by 10 plus V1 minus, sorry, this is 8 ohm. Okay, this is V1 minus 0 divided by, this is open circuit, so that V1 minus 0 divided by 8 plus 6, this is series. Okay, then this current is like upward, current is like upward, so that this is minus Ix into 1.5. okay, so that this is like V1 minus 12 divided by 10 plus V1 by 14 minus, we can put Ix value this much because this amount current is Ix. Okay, this voltage, this amount current is Ix, this is called Ix, so that we put V1 by 14 into 1.5, okay, is equal to 0, okay, is 1.0. So that we did study about take the LCM. LCM we take the LCM is 10, 14, okay, this is 2, 5, 7, 70. We take it 70, okay, 70. This is 70 means 7 V1 minus this is 94, okay, then plus this is hello. Sorry, this is 84. This is 84, and this is 5 V1, 5 V1 minus 5 into 1.5 V1, 5 into 1.5 V1 is equal to 0, okay. After simplifying this, after solving this, okay, need to simplify this. This is 7 V1, okay, minus 84 plus 5 V1 minus 7.5 V1 is equal to 0, okay. This is 7 V1 7 5, this is 5 7 12 V1, sorry 12 V1 minus 7.5 V1 is equal to 84, okay. After simplifying this V1 equal to 10.667 volt, okay. Sorry, this is okay, this is the 12 minus 7.5, this is okay, 1 minute. Okay, this is 12 V1 minus 7.5 V1, so that this is 4.5 V1, okay, is equal to 84, so that V1 equal to 84 divided by 4.5, so that this is equal to 18.667 volt, okay. We find this much V1, so we can find Ix equal to we know Ix equal to this V1 divided by this resistor plus this resistor, so that this is 8 plus 6 is 14, okay, 8 plus 6 14, so that 18.667 divided by 14 is equal to how much? This is 1.33571. But our objective to find the Thevenin's voltage, so that the Thevenin's voltage or voltage drop across this 8 ohm is this amount of current Ix into this resistor, so that this VTH or open circuit voltage is equal to 1.33571 into how much? 8 is equal to 10.667 volt, okay. This is our VTH. But our next step to find Thevenin's equivalent resistance, okay, so that we need to approach different procedure, okay, for finding Thevenin's resistance. For finding Thevenin's resistance, we deal with two different method. One method here in for finding RTH, we cannot apply our genomic method in, okay, so that we need to approach. One is short circuit method, okay, and another is connect a source, dummy source means dummy source, okay, like one like voltage source, voltage or current, okay. We going to two method. First we deal with short circuit method, okay. We know this, the if the Thevenin's resistance R equal to V by I, okay. We know in Thevenin's resistance, in Thevenin's resistance, we know that the Thevenin's resistance is nothing but the open circuit voltage divided by the short circuit current, okay. We previously know that open circuit voltage, like this is the VTH, okay. We need to find the short circuit current, okay. This is the first method, okay. So that we need to redraw the circuit like that, okay. Going to redraw the circuit. It is going to be short circuited, AB terminal going to short circuited. We need to find this ISC current, okay. This is IX 1.5, okay. This is 6 ohm, this is 8 ohm, this is 10 ohm, this is 12 volt. Here we see that, this is IX. Here we show this 8 ohm can directly eliminate because this it is connected across the short circuit, so that it can cancel out, okay. It's directly connected. We need to find this ISC. This ISC is equal to IX, so that we need to find, if you find this ISC, then put VOC by ISC, so that we find RTH, okay. It is the one of method, and after that we did study about how to deal if the source is connected, okay. Here see, this is ISC, okay. We need to find this ISC current, so that we apply node equation V1, okay. Let's this V1 is equal to V1 minus 12 by 10, V1 minus 10, then plus V1 0 divided by 6, then minus IX 1.5. Here IX is equal to V1 by how much? V1 by 6, okay. We put this value, the V1 by 12, 10 plus V1 by 6 minus V1 by 6 into 1.5 is equal to 0, okay. Let's start. Take LCM. Its LCM is, take LCM 30, okay. So that this is 3 V1, okay. This is 3 V1 minus 36 plus 5 V1 minus 5 in minus 5 into 1.5, this is 7.5 V1 is equal to 0, okay, is equal to 0. So that this is like directly we can write, this is 8 V1 minus 7.5 V1, okay, minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, this is 0.5 V1 is equal to 36. Okay, 36. So that V1 is equal to 72 volt. Okay, here we find the V1 and we need to find this ISC or short circuit current, so that this short circuit current ISC is equal to 72 by 6. Okay, this is 72 by 6. Okay, 72 divided by 6. This is 12 ampere. Okay, this is 12 ampere. Okay, we need to find this RTH, so that we know previously RTH equal to 10.66 divided by 12. 10.66 divided by 12. This is equal to 0.88 ohm. Okay, this is our Thevenin's resistance. Okay, this is the first method where we connect short circuit the load terminal. Okay, next approach we deal with connected dummy source like 1 volt. Okay, current source, or can connect as voltage source. Okay, next we deal with that type of. Okay, see, for doing that type we need to deactivate the only independent source, so that here only independent source is the voltage source, so that we short circuit the voltage source. Okay, this is the IX. Okay, IX 1.5. this is 6 ohm. Okay, this is 8 ohm. Okay, in this method we are going to connect a dummy voltage source or current source, either your choice. Okay, here we connected a voltage source like 1 volt. Okay, 1 volt. Okay, here is 1 volt present. We need to find that much current. Okay, let we connect a connect a current source. Okay, let we connect a current source. Okay, and we need to find this voltage. Okay, we need to find this voltage. Okay, this is 10 ohm. Okay, this is 8 ohm. Okay, for dealing this type of problem we need to V1, this is V0. Okay, first is the node 1 and this is node 2. Okay, let find node equation apply. First node 1. Okay, this is IX. Okay, this is V1 divided by 10. Okay, then plus V1 minus V0 divided by how much, 6. Okay, and then minus this is minus because the current direction is down upward, so that this minus IX into 1.5. Okay, we know this IX is the V1 minus V0 by 6. Okay, we put this value. Okay, we put this value. This is V1 divided by 10 plus V1 minus V0 by 6 minus V1 minus V0 into 1.5 divided by 6. Okay, take it LCM. Okay, this is 30. Okay, this is 3V1. Okay, plus this is 5V1 minus 5V2, sorry, V0. This is minus 5V1 minus 5V1. this is sorry, directly can write this is minus 7.5 V1 minus 7.5 V1. Okay, this is plus 7.5 V naught, okay, equal to 0. Okay, we did this. Okay, write this directly, this equation. This is 8 V1 plus this is minus 7 point, so that 0.5 V1. This is minus 2.5 V naught is equal to 0. This is our first equation. Next apply node equation in V naught. Apply node equation in V naught. So that this is V naught minus V1 divided by 6, V naught divided by, then plus V naught by 8, then this current is upward, so that minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, we take outside. This is 6, 8, 2, 3, 4. This is, take it 24, take it outside. Okay, so that this is 4 V naught, okay, minus 4 V1, okay, then this is this is 3 V naught, okay, this is 7 V naught minus 4 V1, okay, is equal to 24. This is your second equation. After solving this equation, after solving equation 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 2, we get this V1 value is equal to minus 4.44 volt, okay, and V naught value is 0.888 volt. Okay, we find this V naught is nothing but this across this voltage, or for finding the RTH equal to this dummy current source, this voltage V naught by this dummy current, okay, I naught. Okay, we can put 0.88 divided 1, so that this is 0.88 ohm. Okay, this is our Thevenin's resistance. So that this is the Thevenin's resistance. Okay, with next step we are going to draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, this is the Thevenin's voltage with connected series with this Thevenin's resistance, and this is AB, connected series with this AB. This is Thevenin's resistors, this is RTH, okay, and this is VTH. Okay, here is one difference is that if the dependent source is present, there is another approach is to find this Thevenin's resistance is so much different. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you any doubt, please comment.